Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done the revision of chapter 9, that is the play from Beauty and the Beast part 1, and we have done the revision of word meaning and answer the following questions yesterday. Now, today we are going to start with the revision of which of these statements are true and answer the questions about this line from the play. We are going to do the revision of this today. In this, we have been given which of these statements is true. In this exercise, we have been given a sentence. You have to mention whether the statement is true or whether the statement is false. You only have to mention this. You don't have to correct that sentence in this exercise. In the second one, we have been given answer the questions about these lines from the play. In the second one, you have to copy, first of all you have to copy the line. After that, copy the question and then write the answer below the question. You have to copy all the questions of revision 6. Copy the questions in your notebooks. Now let us begin with the revision of chapter 9, that is the Beauty and the Beast part 1 in our notebooks. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to start with our revision 6 in our English literature notebook. Now, before starting revision 6, first of all, let us fill the index. Now, in the index, first of all, put the serial number, that is 22, put today's date, revision 6, chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast part 1, and my page number is 72. I have mentioned it here. You have to count your number of page and mention it in the index. Now, after that, come to a fresh page. Come to a new page, and in this, put the heading, put today's date, classwork, revision 6, chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast part 1. Put all these headings using black pen only. Don't put the heading using blue pen. After that, first put the heading, first exercise, which of these statements are true. In this, you have to mention which of these statements are true, and if they are not true, you have to mention false in front of that. Now, first one is Jack agreed to go with his father. It is true that Jack agreed to go with his father. You have to tell whether it is true or whether it is false and write it in front of it. Second one is the merchant had 3 daughters and 3 sons. Merchant was having 3 daughters and 3 sons. You have to mention whether it is correct or whether it is true or whether it is false. Now, third sentence is Beauty made tea for her father because he was thirsty. Beauty made the tea for her father because he was thirsty. But till I remember, Beauty didn't even ask her father whether he was thirsty or not. He just made a tea. So you have to tell whether this statement is true or whether it is false. You have to mention it here. Fourth one is the merchant and his son found a castle in the forest. You have to tell the merchant and his son. Is it true that they found a castle in the forest? You have to tell whether it is true or whether it is false. Fifth one is the merchant stored only vegetables and fruits in the warehouse. The merchant just stored. Till I remember, merchant was a businessman. This sentence is asking he is in a habit to store only vegetables and fruits in his warehouse. Now, after writing all these sentences, you have to copy each and every sentence in your notebook, and after copying the sentence, you have to write the answers using black pen. Don't use blue pen. Write the sentences using blue pen and write the answers using black pen. You have to mention true and false using black pen. After completing this exercise, form a line at the end and move to second one. Second is answer the questions about these lines from the play. We have been given a single line. You have to answer the questions, these 3 questions based on this line only. Yes, yes, if I return and if I have some money. This line is being said by the merchant when his all his warehouse have caught fire and the ship bringing new goods was lost at sea, and when they were moving to do some new work to get some money. This line is being said at that time only. Yes, yes, if I return and if I have some money. And when April and June asked her father for some new jewelry and new clothes, and Beauty just said that she wants only his father's safe return, and if he want, he could bring her a single rose if he want only. He didn't force his father, but April and June said that they want some new jewelry and new clothes. These lines were said at being that time. Yes, yes, if I return and if I have some money. And her father was promising that yes, if I return safely and if I have some money, I would surely bring you all these things. And when his father asked Beauty, he only said that I want your safe return only. Now, first question is, who speaks this word and to whom? First of all, you all have to do is, you have to copy the question. You have to copy this question, and after copying this question, A, you have to write the answer of question A. In this, you have to tell who speaks these words to whom. You have to tell who is speaking these to whom. Now, after writing the answer, move to question B. Question B is, what is the speaker promising to do? In this, what is the speaker promising to do? You have to tell it here. After writing question B, again you have to write the answer here. Question C is, where is the speaker planning to go and why? This question is saying, where is the speaker planning to go and why? After writing question C, you have to write the answer, and after completing the answer, again you have to form a line at the end of the revision 6. Now, let us repeat the revision. First one is, which of these statements are true? Jack agreed to go with his father. Dash. Second is, merchant had 3 daughters and 3 sons. Dash. Beauty made tea for her father because he was thirsty. Again dash. Fourth one is, the merchant and his son found a castle in the forest. Put a dash. And you have to write in these dashes, you have to write the true and false. Fifth one is, the merchant stored only vegetables and fruits in the warehouse. Again you have to mention here whether it is true or whether it is false. Second one is, answer the questions about these lines from the play. Yes, yes, if I return and if I have some money. A is, who speaks these words and to whom? B1 is, what is the speaker promising to do? C1 is, where is the speaker planning to go and why? After each and every question, you have to mention the answer of that question. Now, here we complete with revision 6 in our English literature notebooks. Now, homework for you all is to learn the exercises of chapter 11 in English language, that is the degrees of comparison. Now, from tomorrow we are going to start with the revision in English language notebook. First chapter which we are going to take in revision is chapter 11, the degrees of comparison. Thank you.